The Chrysler 300 is a very old car. The current generation debuted in 2011, but the car's core architecture dates all the way back to the original model of the mid-2000s, a vehicle itself based on a decades-old Mercedes platform. Yet, according to Consumer Reports, people are paying more over MSRP for the Chrysler 300 on average than any other vehicle on sale. Consumer Reports combed through data on TrueCar to find out which vehicles are currently selling the most over their respective sticker prices. The CR team found that on average, each Chrysler 300 was selling for 12% over MSRP. A surprising statistic considering very little on the car has changed in the last decade. We suspect that percentage is being heavily influenced by sales of the 300C, a 485 horsepower V8 powered, limited edition version of the 300 built to commemorate the car's final year of production. Dealer markups paired with high enthusiast demand are likely the culprits here. Still, we can't imagine paying more than sticker price for a car this out of date. The 300 isn't the only car still selling for over sticker price. In second place is the Ford Maverick, a small pickup truck in high demand, first released in 2021. Following closely behind is, weirdly, the Kia Stinger, a rear-drive sedan that ended production earlier this year. Again, we suspect enthusiasts are trying to get into new Stingers before they're all gone, hence the inflated prices. Kias and Toyotas litter the rest of Consumer Reports' top 10 list, with practical cars like the Telluride and the new Prius unsurprisingly selling for over MSRP. Interestingly, the Toyota Supra takes the 10th spot, selling on average for 6% over its MSRP. We'd bet the addition of a manual transmission option has something to do with the continued demand.